Hey there, if you're dealing with the frustrating situation where your TP-Link router has all its lights blinking after a reset, you're not alone. This common issue can interrupt your internet connection and leave you feeling disconnected. But don't worry, understanding how to fix a TP-Link router with all lights blinking after a reset can help you get back online quickly. In this guide, we'll break down the steps to resolve this issue so you can enjoy a stable internet connection again. Step 1. Identify the problem. First things first, let's pinpoint what's going on. When all the lights on your TP-Link router start blinking after a reset, it usually indicates a problem with the firmware or the router's connection to your modem. Check the cables. Ensure all cables are securely connected. Some issues might be as simple as a loose Ethernet cable. Examine the modem. Verify that your modem is functioning correctly. If the modem lights are also blinking abnormally, there might be an issue with your internet service. Step 2. Power cycle the router. Power cycling your router can resolve most temporary connectivity issues and reset any disrupted connection. Unplug the router. Disconnect the power cable from your router. Wait and reconnect. Allow about 60 seconds for the router to fully power down. Reconnect the power cable and wait for the device to boot up. Watch the lights to see if they stabilize. Step 3. Reconfigure your router setting. After a reset, your router might revert to default settings, requiring setup from scratch. Access the router interface. Connect a computer to your router via Ethernet. Open a web browser and enter the router's IP address, usually something like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in to the router. Use the default login credentials, usually found on the router label, to access the settings. Run Setup Wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your internet settings. Insert your ISP credentials if necessary. Step 4. Update the firmware. Sometimes firmware issues can lead to all lights blinking. Updating the firmware can solve these problems. Download latest firmware. Visit the TP-Link website and download the latest firmware file for your model. Upload the firmware. Access your router's interface and navigate to the firmware upgrade section. Upload the newly downloaded file and follow the prompts to complete the update. Reboot the router. Once the update completes, restart your router to apply the changes. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If issues persist, a hard factory reset might be necessary. Locate the reset button. Find the reset button on your router, often recessed and requiring a pin to press. Hold the reset button. Press and hold the button for about 10 seconds until the lights start flashing differently. This process will restore factory. Fixing a TP-Link router where all lights blink after a reset requires a bit of troubleshooting. By following these steps, you can resolve the issue efficiently. Whether it's checking cables, power cycling, or updating firmware, each step is essential for reconnecting your home network. Remember to prioritize accurate firmware updates and proper cable connections to prevent this from occurring again. While dealing with technical issues can be frustrating, understanding how to fix a TP-Link router with all lights blinking after reset can save you time and hassle. Now, with your internet back on, you can get back to streaming, browsing, and connecting.